Welcome, it's Azi here. In this video, I'm going to tell you how we can delete WordPress user posts and comments at once. Because you know what happened? Sometimes you get a spammy comments in your website, that's a lot, or let's say spammy user registration, but you want to delete all of them at once. So this video is going to help you a lot. So right now, if you see here in my post that it's almost 3,700 posts in there, and before it was more than 4,000, and it was almost 8K on my website. So I just deleted the rest of them, and right now it's have only 3,700. So I'm just keep all of this to showing you that like how we can just like delete it. Okay. So for this video, we are gonna use two plugins. It's not one, and I'm gonna explain you step by step which plugin is for what. Okay, so first of all, if you go here this plugin, and if you're just going to click on add new this button, then you will get something like this, and now you need to type here bulk delete. And when you search bulk delete, then you will get a two plugin in there, and it's supposed to be more, but I'm personally using these two of them. This is like WP bulk delete. This is mainly coming from Julia's themes, and this is the another one bulk delete. This is from Sudar. Okay, so first of all, since this is activated already, so let's go with that. Okay, so after activate this plugin, you will get to see left side bar like something like this, WP bulk delete, this option. Now in here, this is something like cleanup post. Cleanup is something like if in your website some of the posts have a draft, or let's say some of the post or user or anything, it can be anything on trash. So you can simply delete it from the trash. It can be your user, it can be your post, it can be anything that's on the trash. You can simply delete from there. And so go here, this post type, just click on there. Then you will get to see a lot of things. Let's say all of this post, you can simply just, you can select the post status. That is, let's say publish. You can simply delete from here. So you need to set up here like how many posts you would like to delete. If you want to delete all of them, then you don't need to select anything in there in this box. But if you like to delete everything, then simply make them delete. Also, you can see here this post deletion type. You need to make them as a trash. You want to make it, or you like to permanently delete all of this. So this is something you can select from there. And I think it's better if you just select the limit of there, because otherwise, you know what happens if you're just going to click on this delete post button, it's going to take huge time. And rather than if you select the post like 500, 1000, that's gonna more better. Okay, now let's go to the next plugin. All right, so I just mainly activate here this bulk delete, this one. So make sure when you're just going to use this both of this plugin, do not activate like together. Try to keep them distance, because if you install the same plugin together in your website, it's gonna make a conflict. So make sure that you just deactivate one of this. So after a bulk delete, like activate this plugin, then you will get to see the option here, a bulk WP, this option. As you can see, the same process, we get it here. And now it's kind of same. So as you can see, it's an extra option that pending. So when you're just going to make an automatic website, we are not directly publishing this on a website, right? So it's some of the posts is going to be pending, need to review yourself or someone, your admin. So if you think that they're just making by mistake, you can just simply one click, you can delete all of these pending posts. And it's have the same process. You want to make this move to trash or delete this permanently, you can select it. Also here, this only fast. If you want to delete this fast 1000 or 100 posts fast, then you can do it in here. It's also have a schedule option, and this is also. And also you can just make them restricted. Okay, so it's something like post is less than a dash, or post older than, let's say, 1 dash. If the post is older than 1 dash, then we are not going to do it. So this have some of the filters that you can do it by yourself. So I'm not doing anything in right now. So yeah, by this way, you can simply select it, which post you would like to delete, and you can simply delete it, okay? And also if you want to delete any pages or user, then you can simply click on this user option, just click on there, then you will get all of this user option there. We can also delete the user, and this is kind of the same thing in here. And if you go to here, this role, then you will get to see all of these users. So you can just simply select which user or which type of user you would like to delete. So okay, now if I'm going to give you a summary on here that what I'm talking about is something like I used to this plugin for clean up my trash content before, and I was use it to permanently delete my content, right? So yeah, that's why I use both of this plugin for deleting my content. But if you want to directly, or let's say if you permanently delete any post or user from your website, I think then one of this plugin will be better. You don't need to install or activate both of this plugin, but both of this plugin really works fine. And yeah, that's about the video, and let me know in the comment section which one it's worked for you, and thanks for watching.